Hi guys, it's Mrs. Santiago here, and I want to help you out with the notes for meats and seafoods. This is in your OneNote, Chapter 6, Food and Meals. We are on page 10, La carne y los mariscos, las notas. I'm going to get rid of the table of contents, and I'm going to increase the size of the page so that you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so remember we talked about that when there's a double box, that means that is the category. So this first one is la carne. Think of the word carnivore. Carnivores eat meats. Carne. The second one over is el pollo. And you'll see the word pollo in the third one, even though you're not writing it in. Las alas de pollo. Think about what you like to eat on a Friday night or a Bills game day. The wings of chicken or chicken wings. Muy bien. The second row, el pavo, is written in for you. Please don't confuse pollo and pavo. Pavo, gobble, gobble. We know that one's turkey. So you're going to hear this called el filete or other things in different countries, but we're going to use the word el bistec. El bistec. This one is a cognate, la hamburguesa. Remember the H is silent, so it's not hamburguesa, it's hamburguesa. Now I like mine con queso with cheese, con queso. Okay, this is la carne. Whoops, let me fix that and move it over a little. La carne de cerdo. That's how we say pork. El carne de cerdo. So that one's kind of a category, so I'll put a star by it. The first carne de cerdo is el jamón. El jamón. Don't forget the accent mark. It's not jammin'. Remember, the J sounds like ha, jamón. Las chuletas de cerdo, the chops of pork or pork chops. The next one, we have two different words for this one. So you're going to hear el tocino, the bacon, or you might hear la tocineta. The next one over is la salchicha. And then the last one on the first page is el perro, arf arf, caliente. To move this over to get that on there. So that's an L, caliente. El perro caliente. Okay, on to page 2. If I can get this to move. There we go. On to page 2. So page 2, we have los mariscos, which makes sense to me because the word for sea is mar. That's an O. Mariscos. Okay. The first one is los camarones, written in for you. Los camarones, shrimp. The next one is el pescado. El pescado, the fish. We've got las almejas, clams. La langosta, lobster. I think it's important to do this one, paella. Paella. So that seafood, a little bit of chicken dish from Spain. And then el atún. If you flip it around, it looks like tuna. El atún. And that's it. Those are the meats and seafoods, the words for the chapter for the vocabulary. Now, on the next page, you're going to be doing your own meats and seafood Venn diagram that looks like this. Okay, and this is like I don't like or I do like, and then the middle is I like it a little bit. You'll see the instructions on the page. I'm just giving you a heads up. If you have any questions, let me know. Gracias.